Marco Tulio and Ihor Potieria faced off in an intense and highly competitive UFC battle, each fighter bringing their own set of skills to the cage. This bout showcased a clash of styles, with Tulio's striking prowess going head-to-head against Potieria's aggressive and well-rounded approach. Marco Tulio, a Brazilian fighter, is known for his exceptional striking and knockout power. Throughout his career, he has developed a reputation for being a dangerous striker with a heavy focus on kicks and punches. Tulio is particularly dangerous in the clinch and has the ability to land devastating knees and elbows. His knockout power is one of his most notable attributes, and he's known for his ability to end fights quickly if given the right opening. However, his grappling and ground game have often been questioned. Tulio is primarily a striker, and while he has solid takedown defense, his ability to handle ground exchanges can sometimes be a weakness. Ihor Potieria, hailing from Ukraine, is a well-rounded fighter who brings a balanced mix of striking and grappling to the table. Potieria has shown that he is capable of adapting to different fight scenarios, whether he needs to stand and bang or take the fight to the ground. His striking is crisp, and he has a solid understanding of distance management, using his footwork to avoid damage while delivering accurate punches and kicks. On the ground, Potieria is comfortable both offensively and defensively, with a strong wrestling base that allows him to control the action when needed. While not known for his knockout power like Tulio, Potieria's ability to wear down opponents with his pressure and volume makes him a formidable force in the cage. The fight began with both fighters testing each other's distance, with Tulio looking to land his heavy strikes and Potieria focusing on closing the distance and landing crisp counters. Tulio's striking was sharp from the start, landing some powerful leg kicks and looking for openings to deliver his trademark knee strikes. Potieria, however, remained patient and used his footwork to stay out of Tulio's range, landing clean counters whenever Tulio overcommitted to his shots. Potieria's ability to avoid damage while landing his own was a key factor early in the fight. As the first round continued, Potieria began to implement his wrestling, looking for opportunities to take Tulio to the mat. Although Tulio showed solid takedown defense, Potieria's persistence paid off. Eventually, Potieria managed to close the distance and secure a takedown, where he was able to work his ground game. On the mat, Potieria demonstrated his control, keeping Tulio in defensive positions and landing short ground and pound. Tulio struggled to escape, and while he remained dangerous with his submissions off his back, Potieria kept his composure and prevented any serious threats from the Brazilian. In the second round, Tulio came out with more urgency, realizing that he needed to make up for the lost ground. He continued to land powerful strikes, hoping to catch Potieria with a knockout blow. Potieria, however, remained patient and didn't fall into Tulio's striking rhythm. Potieria's strategy of mixing in his grappling and striking seemed to wear on Tulio as the fight wore on. Once again, Potieria closed the distance and took Tulio down, where he was able to showcase his dominant control on the ground. Tulio had moments of escape, but Potieria's pressure and ability to control the fight kept Tulio from finding any significant openings. As the fight entered the third round, it was clear that Potieria had established dominance. Tulio's striking was still dangerous, but Potieria's well-rounded game had been too much for him to handle. Potieria continued to mix his striking with well-timed takedowns, wearing down Tulio both mentally and physically. By the time the fight reached its conclusion, Potieria had solidified his control on the ground and was in the driver's seat for a dominant decision win. The judges' scorecards reflected the dominant performance from Ihor Potieria, who took the victory by unanimous decision. Tulio showed heart and landed some solid strikes throughout the fight, but Potieria's combination of striking and grappling proved to be the deciding factor. Potieria's ability to stay composed, control the fight, and mix his skills effectively allowed him to outlast the dangerous striker in Tulio. This victory further cemented Potieria's reputation as a well-rounded and durable fighter in the UFC.